this is like a week and a half after putting the tint on. I wanted you guys to see that it is a little bit darker. I guess it kind of settled in more, but this is 35% tint, and I got it on eBay for 20 bucks. I'll put the link down below if you guys want to get this. I didn't want super dark. I still want people to see me. So, but they have a 20% option and a 35% option. Still the same price for both. I'll go back to before. You guys can see how it looks. And here's how it looks now. Looks pretty good. You mainly see it around the edges. Now you can see the difference. This one doesn't have any tint. Got the rims for the Z finally. Got one in the trunk. Couldn't fit the other one in the trunk, so I got 3 of them right there in the passenger seat, so just gonna have to drive real slow.
Follow me on OG Panda _ 3.7.
He hooked me up with these rims for 300 bucks, gave me a sweet deal, so we'll be on the Z next weekend. Had them for a while. The tires just came in. Got the back ones on. Still waiting for the front ones. But I went with the Federal 595. So we're gonna put these on the back of the Z because the back of the Z really needs some freaking tires. So hopefully these will hook. So I'll have a link down if you guys want to get these tires. Got the wheels on. Just have to wait for the tires to come in the mail. So we gotta wait like 2 more days, but at least the back ones are on. And I'll show you guys why I freaking needed the back ones on like ASAP. This is why. I needed them bad. We got not only the back wheels on, I got the front wheels on now. So now, all I gotta do is just do the tire lettering on it. We're on our way to Eric's. Change out the headlights. You can see right here. They're not bad. Like from factory, they're pretty good. But like you see that truck up there, like I can barely see like their light. Well, I can see the license plate. That's about it. Once we put in the new lights, I'll let you guys see the difference. I'll go on a different road though, so you can see before and after. All right, here's a perfect example of how it is. You guys can barely see those cars way up there. So when I turn my brights on, I can see a lot better, obviously. So that's with the brights on, that's with them off. I had this car before me, had the brilliant idea. I had this bracket on, I was gonna take it off to put 2 freaking giant holes in here. So it's pretty ridiculous. So much for moving the license plate over there, but I don't know why someone would do that. Unless this comes from
it's drilled in, you can feel all the sloppiness on the inside.
Dude, that honestly makes me mad. Okay, so this is after now with the lights in. The brights don't do as much. There's like a smudge on the headlights. I'm gonna get that clean, but it's definitely a lot better now. I'll have a link in the description below. These were only 20 bucks. You can see before how when that bright now it's a lot brighter. If I turn on my brights, you can see there's not that much of a difference now compared to before. So that just tells you how bright they are. I know it's kind of hard for the camera to pick up the full thing, but with the brights on now, like all it does is it's just higher. Like it just more areas lot better now. So let me know what you guys think about it.